Welcome to our channel. If you're a content creator, website owner, or digital marketer looking to boost your earnings, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving into how to unlock higher CPMs and skyrocket your revenue using Monetag, one of the most effective monetization platforms available right now. Whether you're new to online monetization or looking to level up your game, this video is packed with actionable insights you won't want to miss. But before we get started, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and strategies just like this. Your support helps us keep creating valuable content for you, and if you've got any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check out the link in the description to sign up for Monetag and start boosting your earnings today. In this video, we'll break down exactly how Monetag works, what makes it different from other ad networks, and the best ways to maximize your CPM and profit potential. So grab a notepad, sit back, and get ready to transform your traffic into serious income. Let's dive right in. Monetag is an all-in-one monetization platform designed to help publishers earn more from their online traffic. Whether you're running a blog, managing a website, sharing content on social media, or even driving paid traffic, Monetag offers powerful tools to help you turn that traffic into real income. What sets it apart is its global reach and ability to work with all types of content creators, regardless of niche or platform. With a user-friendly dashboard and quick setup process, getting started is simple and efficient for beginners and pros alike. The way Monetag works is straightforward. Once you sign up, you gain access to a range of high-performing ad formats such as pop-unders, push notifications, direct links, and more. You can choose what works best for your audience and content style. Monetag uses advanced targeting and optimization algorithms to make sure your visitors see the most relevant ads, which results in higher engagement and better CPM rates. All your earnings are tracked in real time, and the platform provides reliable payouts, so you always know where your money is and when you'll get paid. Monetag is built for anyone looking to monetize their digital presence. It's ideal for bloggers, affiliate marketers, influencers, content creators, and even paid traffic experts who want to scale their income streams. If you're getting traffic and not earning as much as you should, Monetag gives you the flexibility and support to change that. Its combination of high CPMs, ad variety, and trusted payouts makes it a top choice for publishers around the world looking to boost their earnings fast. Now that you know what Monetag is and how it works, let's take a quick look at the key benefits that make this platform stand out. Whether you're just starting or already getting consistent traffic, these advantages can make a real difference in your revenue potential. Number 1. High CPM and earnings. One of the biggest advantages of using Monetag is its consistently high CPM rates. This is possible thanks to Monetag's direct partnerships with thousands of advertisers around the world. These include some of the biggest names in industries like e-commerce, finance, mobile apps, and more. With such a wide range of advertisers competing for your traffic, you're more likely to earn more for every impression or click. The global reach of Monetag's ad network ensures that your traffic is always being matched with the highest paying offers available. Whether your audience is based in the US, Europe, Asia, or elsewhere, Monetag's system automatically connects your visitors with the most relevant and profitable ads. This means better monetization for every visitor, no matter where they come from. By delivering targeted ads that actually perform, Monetag helps you unlock much greater earning potential compared to generic ad platforms. You're not just getting random low-paying ads, you're leveraging a smart system that prioritizes high-value engagements. For content creators looking to maximize every bit of their traffic, this is where Monetag truly shines. Number 2. Quality advertising and moderation. Monetag takes the quality of its advertising seriously, ensuring that every ad displayed on your site meets strict standards. Before any campaign goes live, both the advertiser and each individual ad are carefully vetted through a combination of manual review and automated tools. The platform explicitly bans harmful and unethical content such as scams, adult material, shock content, and phishing attempts. This commitment to quality means you won't have to worry about exposing your audience to questionable or damaging ads that could harm your brand. What makes Monetag stand out even more is its ongoing monitoring system. Ads aren't just reviewed once, they're tracked continuously throughout their entire campaign. If an ad's content or destination URL changes in a way that violates Monetag's policies, it's instantly flagged and removed. This proactive approach helps protect your site from cloaking and other deceptive tactics while ensuring full compliance with advertising guidelines. As a result, publishers maintain credibility, avoid penalties from platforms like Google, and offer a better experience to their visitors. Number 3. Fast and easy payments. Monetag makes it incredibly simple and convenient for publishers to access their earnings. With weekly payouts and a minimum withdrawal threshold as low as $5 for several popular methods, getting paid is both fast and flexible. Whether you're just starting out or already earning at scale, Monetag ensures you won't have to wait long or hit high thresholds to receive your money. Users can choose from a variety of trusted payment options, including PayPal, Payoneer, Skrill, WebMoney, cryptocurrencies, and wire transfers, catering to both small and large publishers worldwide. The platform also takes pride in offering transparent and user-friendly payment management. You can easily set or change your preferred payout method directly from the dashboard, and Monetag doesn't charge any commissions or hidden fees. Only third-party services may apply their own charges. This approach gives you full control over your earnings and how you want to receive them. With a system built around speed, flexibility, and global accessibility, Monetag stands out as a top choice for publishers who value fast, reliable payments. Number 4. Variety of formats. Monetag stands out with its extensive selection of ad formats, giving publishers the flexibility to monetize different types of traffic effectively. Whether you're working with social media, websites, or paid campaigns, there's a format designed to fit your audience and platform. One of the most powerful tools is the Smart Link, an all-in-one monetization solution that automatically delivers the highest converting offers to users. It's especially useful for social traffic from platforms like Facebook, Telegram, or WhatsApp. Since Smart Link is user-activated, it maintains a smooth user experience without being intrusive, making it a top choice for affiliates and media buyers who want simplicity and automation. Another high-performing format is the pop-under ad, which opens in a new tab when a user interacts with your site. This format is known for consistently delivering higher CPMs than traditional banners and works well across all types of traffic. It's also supported by anti-ad block technology, ensuring that your monetization efforts aren't wasted even on users with ad blockers. Since pop-unders don't interfere with your site content and can monetize nearly 100% of global traffic, they're one of the most efficient tools for maximizing revenue across websites of any size. Push notifications offer another level of engagement by sending ads directly to users even after they've left your site. These notifications work on both desktop and mobile devices and are ideal for encouraging return visits and boosting long-term value from each user. Vignette banners, on the other hand, are full-screen ads that appear during page transitions without disrupting content flow. With click-through rates up to 60% higher than regular banners and a user-friendly design, vignette banners combine performance with a positive user experience, especially on mobile-heavy sites. For even more visibility, interstitial ads cover the entire screen at natural transition points, capturing full user attention. While they should be used strategically to avoid frustrating visitors, they are incredibly effective when timed correctly. Lastly, in-page push ads mimic push notifications but appear directly on the web page without requiring opt-in. They're visible on all devices and offer another non-intrusive way to engage users as they browse. Monetag allows you to mix and match these formats, helping you find the best combination to maximize both engagement and earnings without sacrificing user satisfaction. Number 5. Additional Monetag benefits. Beyond its powerful monetization tools, Monetag also offers valuable extras to help you earn more and get the support you need. One standout feature is its lifetime referral program, which allows you to earn a 5% commission on the monthly earnings of every publisher you refer. There's no cap on how many people you can invite, and your unique referral link is easily accessible from your Monetag dashboard. Once someone signs up through your link and begins earning, you automatically receive ongoing commissions without doing any extra work, making it a great way to build a passive income stream alongside your regular monetization efforts. Another key benefit is 24/7 support. Whether you're just getting started or managing multiple traffic sources, Monetag ensures you never have to face a technical issue or platform question alone. Their dedicated support team is available around the clock to provide fast, professional assistance through chat or email. This level of accessibility gives publishers peace of mind, knowing they can get help whenever they need it, whether it's a question about payouts, optimization tips, or account setup. If you're serious about maximizing your earnings from web, social, or paid traffic, Monetag is a platform worth trying. With its high CPM rates, a wide variety of ad formats, and global advertiser network, you're equipped to turn every visit into real revenue, regardless of your niche or traffic source. The platform is easy to set up, beginner-friendly, and designed to work seamlessly whether you're a blogger, affiliate marketer, content creator, or a media buyer. What truly sets Monetag apart is its commitment to quality, transparency, and user support. From strict ad moderation that protects your audience and brand, to fast, flexible payouts, and a generous referral program, everything is built to help you grow and succeed. Add in 24/7 customer support and a dashboard that gives you full control over your monetization, and it's clear why so many publishers trust Monetag. If you're tired of low earnings and underperforming ad networks, it's time to level up. Click the link in the description, sign up for Monetag today, and start unlocking the full earning potential of your traffic. We hope this video gave you a clear understanding of how Monetag can help you boost your earnings and make the most out of your traffic. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more tips and tools to grow your online income. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep creating, keep growing, and we'll see you in the next video.